Stick around to the end of the video to find out why our departure from Quebec City was delayed.
So, we've been in Quebec for 5.5 weeks now. We started out in Mont-Tremblant for 2 weeks, which we really enjoyed the hiking and cycling up there.
Except for the bugs that attacked us.
Yeah, the bugs are vicious.
Probably because of all the lakes.
Yeah, in the national park, they were brutal.
The next 3.5 weeks we came to Lévis, which is just south of Quebec City, across the St. Lawrence Seaway.
It's a really nice RV park, and it's convenient to a lot of things we wanted to do, like sightseeing, cycling. We thought we'd do some hiking, but not so much. From the campground, we can ride right out on the country roads. And if you don't want to do just country roads, you can also go right to the trailhead for the Lévis Bella Chase bike lanes.
I liked riding along the St. Lawrence Seaway, or taking the ferry across and riding to Montmorency Falls. When we first started the ride, it was supposed to be 20 miles, or probably 18, and we missed our turn. So when we finally turned around, and we ran into a French-speaking couple who were also lost. When I said Les Chutes, then they knew where we wanted to go, so we kind of figured it out together. We would pass the couple and wave at each other and say, hey, whenever one of us would take a break. Even though we couldn't speak the same language, you still kind of had a good time.
Another reason to go into old Quebec City, other than the sightseeing, is we found a really nice coffee and pastry shop called Smith's. Smith's had really good pastries and sandwiches and coffee. And Deb even had to have her London fog.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
So we went and visited a few times.
We watched the 22nd Regiment be inspected by the governor and the parade, and it was pretty impressive. I don't know how they see through those hats, but it was a pretty fun day. It got kind of hot, but we sure had a good time watching everybody celebrating Canada Day.
And the 11th Regiment also has a mascot that's a goat.
Seemed kind of ornery, like
yeah,
he was doing goat stuff.
Yeah, he was there and didn't want to be.
The Dufferin Terrace is built over the top of the old 1600s castle and the remains after the fire. It's run by the National Park Service, so for Canada Day it was free, so walking through it was pretty interesting.
It was good to have some downtime. We had a few things we had to have fixed on the RV before we head out of here 2 weeks, or 2 days, heading up to Saguenay and La Bay, the camp.
I'm excited. Maybe we'll see a moose or a bear.
We might even see some whales.
Yeah. So many things to fix. Ready to go, but I came back from doing laundry and Mike was looking forlorn.
This is what I found. Rope derailleur hanger. Luckily it didn't happen while we were riding.
It would have been a long walk home. Now we're really ready to go. Even though the music festival in Quebec City was this weekend, the owner of Camping Transit found us a place to stay. Thanks, Rock.